Hi everyone, my name is Abi. This is my blog. It's called A Gypsy Life with Edge and Cheese. Uh, I've just published a post, so be sure to check it out. I have another post which is just an introduction though. What I've done is I've put my Instagram on the side as a widget. I've put my Twitter feed as well. There's a follow button which will allow you to keep keep yourself updated on any other posts that I make. Be sure to give me a follow. I have the contact page ready as well, and there's a little about page which says a little bit about me. And this blog is about uh, my travels, different cities, experiences, kind of like a personal blog entry. So enjoy and take care.